Well, Happy New Year 2024. It's been a little while since our last video. This is our first video of the year. We do have a bunch of trips planned and we're going to film that for our own family memories, so we want to take you along. First of all, this weekend coming up is mine and Chris's birthdays. Our birthdays have always been a day apart from each other, and so we celebrate together this year with a bunch of friends flying in from all over. We're going to go to Tampa, kind of explore. There is some bad weather this weekend, but we're going to make the best of it. But to start the year off, here's some fun things that we did already this year. We celebrated a happy new year, 2024, with some great friends and watching some amazing fireworks. All three of our boys joined Boy Scouts this year. The Boy Scouts got to camp at the Daytona Speedway and they got to watch some of the time trials. Chris and Carter have been working as a captain, mate, and a bunch of other boat work this season. This season camping, the boys have been pretty cold outside. They also enjoy the gadgets that they've been getting in the mail and having fun in the condo. I've been enjoying tutoring at our classical conversation co-op, and it wouldn't be a season of the Knapp family without somebody making it to the hospital. Carter's turn. He's all right though. Lots of fun this season. Join us on our adventures.
Something cool.
Not funny.
That's what you said. You said tell me something cool. You ready? All right, let's go. Indian Rocks Beach, 40th birthday party for Jolene. God, I'm glad I'm not that old yet. What?
It's both of our birthdays.
No, it's your birthday first.
We're both turning 40.
You first, though.
Our birthdays are a day apart, so we are having friends fly in, and we're on our way to Tampa. Kids are not here, not with us.
You know how much crap I cleaned out of this car today?
It was
like, oh, we're going to have adults in the back. Wait a minute. We better look at this car. It's disgusting. Stack of books like this.
Oh, books aren't bad.
You know how much they cram in the back of these seats?
Yeah, it's amazing.
I had to wash my hands twice just cleaning this car. It was disgusting.
First stop, the Tampa airport to pick up all of our friends. Next, let's head to the beach to check out our house for the weekend.
Oh yeah, I can cook in that kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Oh no, how old are we? Unpack lighter. Oh, this is so cute.
Dang, look at this bathroom.
Wow, see cute.
This is our bathroom.
All right, I picked my room. This is my room.
You have to look at that bathroom in there.
And you're gonna know that that's mine.
Is it a big bathtub? Look.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there's a bedroom there.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
I wish people would just talk to each other instead of asking me their questions.
Okay.
Where's the other? Is that a bedroom?
So, no, they should be upstairs.
Upstairs?
There's two up here.
Cool.
No, well,
They're in the loft.
sir, we got you 3 bunk beds over here.
You can have the bunk beds.
This is so cute.
Me, you, and Aaron can. Okay, so the Patton's gonna have to sleep in the bunk beds?
No.
This is pretty cool.
This is so sweet.
This is adorable.
Oh my gosh, where's the light?
I don't know.
Oh, here.
This is super cute.
Look at this.
Okay, have to come see the options.
This is actually so great. Had someone had kids.
So can we use the boat and the jet skis?
I'm definitely going to email and ask.
Yes, we've cruised that right there with our boat. Yep, we've driven it by multiple times.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is
Can we
so
just take
nice.
that boat tomorrow?
Next stop was the grocery store to fill up our fridge. The next morning, we hired a charter to take us out on the water and to take us to an island.
And I can wave at you on my way in. sits right on the opposite end here, right on the left.
If you can see it.
So everybody wants to go there.
Is that clear water?
No,
Right up an inlet or something?
it's literally right up in the middle of this, but it's up in Newport Richey, Hudson area.
You taking this up here to the inlet? It's cold. Are you sure?
Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever. Oh, exactly.
I feel like it went by like that.
It did. It went by so fast.
That's all. I told Elizabeth she has to drink the rest of yours.
Just take it out. Let's go. We're gonna walk to see the sunset. They're crazy.
No, stop.
We're riding.
Thank God you have your sunglasses on. We're going to the front.
Right here. Or wherever. I don't. Together. Go.
The next day, we did have some bad weather in the morning, but we just chilled at home and relaxed. Later that day, it did clear up and we were able to go to Clearwater Beach and walk around and enjoy the day. Let's see it.
You look very festive.
They're ready. They're like, come on, get.
Okay. You know us. We couldn't go to the beach and not walk around and see all the boats. But when we were driving home, I had to stop and take a video and pictures of this house with all these Corvettes because Chase loves Corvettes. Turning 40, we're old enough to remember that these were called cheese platters.
Get a picture with the other segment too.
This Airbnb is awesome. there's a downstairs with kayaks and beach chairs and all the things and a washer and dryer. And then outside, we're gonna go fishing on their pier. Look at this. Right here in the ICW.
Clouds weren't there. We might get a flash.
No, we won't. There's too many clouds.
No flash today.
Excuse me.
I just filming you fishing. Let me see your little baby. Oh,
He's coming, Tom. Stay away from my fish.
Eek. Come on, fishy. Go, fishy.
Oh, he's
So pretty though.
He's really
Don't
pretty.
let it cut you.
Come here.
What if the bird wants it?
The bird does want it.
We're gonna let him have it?
No, swim away.
Oh, why?
Swim away. I'm trying to help
Go this way. Kind of boot it. Boot it
Do
off.
with your foot. Here, you feel with my foot?
Look at that bird.
Hurt it.
you. You're going to get eaten. Hurry. I see you.
Oh, the bird's so
I
sad.
see you. Stop it.
She caught a baby fish. You're really brave to do
I'm
that.
impressed with you doing that.
Oh, y'all are funny.
No, I won't do
Oh,
that.
there's another bird on the
They're
boat.
coming like that's the one I had. Looky. that fish swim away. Video it.
Yep.
Is he coming at me? Is he
Come
coming at
on.
me?
He's just standing.
Oh, I feel really bad.
Don't feel bad. Do it. Do it.
Jolene's making me do this.
Okay.
Oops, hold on. Is it gonna fly away or is it gonna eat it right here? It's gonna eat it right here. Oh, the harbor, the circle of life.
Oh, he's ingesting it. He deep throated it.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
See this bird so much that
Make him explode.
will he say no?
He's gonna explode.
It's like 6 candles. We don't want to turn off the smoke detector.
Oh, we did earlier.
Every day.
Woo!